Hey, and they are oko. And they are oko.
Okay, let's go.
What are you saying?
Fire. So we are going to the Wli Waterfalls. This is the road leading to the place. So we've done 3 destinations today. So this is a new video. We are going to explore Wli Waterfalls. Okay, so I have these juice in my hand. So let's go and explore Wli Waterfalls. So it's actually my first time here. So Wli Waterfalls, also known as Wli Agumacha Waterfalls. Agumacha means allow me to flow. Yes, so it's the tallest and highest waterfalls in Ghana and also in West Africa. Guys, I'm super excited about this. So it's actually flow from a height, or it pours from a height approximately 80 meters. So yeah, this shows how, you know, high and then tall the waterfall is.
Where we are going, this one is called Nubui.
Okay.
We take this out from Togo.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All
Where we
right.
are going is called Agumacha.
Okay. Gosh, raining day at Wli Waterfalls.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Finally, so it's actually raining, like raining. Wli Waterfalls. So it's funny, guys. I plugged this leaf to cover my head to prevent it from getting wet, and I'm not the only one. So I wasn't having any face towel or handkerchief to cover up my head. Guys, just look at this view. Don't tell me it's not nice. It's even raining heavily, oh, but the view is just amazing. Actually raining, but guys, let's try and go there. Let's try. The waterfall is so amazing. Look at it. So please, can you repeat what you said, okay, about it's like, you said there's not the normal size because it's the raining season, right?
Yeah,
so kindly explain it to me right now.
So like I was saying, it gets bigger in the rainy season.
Okay.
And after that, it maintains its normal volume from the dry season and on. You never see it anymore.
Oh, okay. So guys, because it's raining, this is so beautiful. It's very big, guys. The camera is not doing justice to what I'm seeing right now. What? This is so beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness.
Oh, 2,000 years later.
After a long tiring day, coming back from Wli Waterfalls, this experience has been hectic, exciting. So guys, I'm just in a hotel room. So this is how the hotel room looks like. The bed, I really love how the the bed is. This is how it is. There is a working table here, a TV. The room is quite spacious. So let's go to the washroom. So this is how the washroom looks like. Okay, it's simple, it's not bad, and I can see it's so here for bathing. Okay, so my really experience was something else because the rain, I couldn't get the footages. So when you're going to Wli Waterfalls, you have to cross 9 bridges before you get to Wli Waterfalls. Because it was raining so hard, guys, I couldn't take video of that, but there are 9 bridges I crossed to the Wli Waterfalls, and it was very interesting. It was fun looking at the waterfall, and I'm super excited about it. And I'm also excited that I brought you guys along. So I hope you love this video. Can you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Right now I'm coming to bath and then sleep maybe. We have another destination tomorrow to embark on. So guys, I'll take you guys along with me. Yeah, so see you tomorrow. Goodbye. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share the video. Kindly share for me. So see you in my next video. You can see how tired I am, guys. You have no idea.